He who experiences the unity of life sees his own self in all beings, and all beings in his own self, and looks on everything with an impartial eye. Just as a candle cannot burn without fire, men cannot live without a spiritual life. Just as treasures are uncovered from the earth, so virtue appears from good deeds, and wisdom appears from a pure and peaceful mind. To walk safely through the maze of human life, one needs the light of wisdom and the guidance of virtue. On life's journey, faith is nourishment, virtuous deeds are a shelter, wisdom is the light by day, and right mindfulness is the protection by night. If a man lives a pure life, nothing can destroy him. The foot feels the foot when it feels the ground. There has to be evil so that good can prove its purity above it. To live a pure, unselfish life, one must count nothing as one's own in the midst of abundance. When you realize how perfect everything is, you will tilt your head back and laugh at the sky. You cannot travel the path until you have become the path itself. Your work is to discover your work and then with all your heart to give yourself to it. All things appear and disappear because of the concurrence of causes and conditions. Nothing ever exists entirely alone, everything is in relation to everything else. Ambition is like love, impatient both of delays and rivals. Unity can only be manifested by the binary. Unity itself and the idea of unity are already two. You can search throughout the entire universe for someone who is more deserving of your love and affection than you are yourself, and that person is not to be found anywhere. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. You, yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection.